Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Ramonica Plushette, the bold chick. And yes, I'm here to talk to you guys today about my favorite wig maker, Jane, aka the Virgin Hair Fantasy. So guys, can I just tell you, I absolutely love the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I started watching them back in March, and this is my third unit. Now, let me just let you know, the Virgin Hair Fantasy sent your girl this unit because I'm such a fan. And I'm like, in my last video, I was like, Jane, if you could hook a sister up, I will do a review for you. So this is the piece that I want to review for you today. So this is the lovely box that it comes in. If you've watched my past videos regarding the Virgin Hair Fantasy, you know that you get a nice little baggie to put your unit in. And you also get cards letting you know how to take care of your unit. And of course, they send you one of their thank you cards. So this unit that I'm actually rocking today is the 10-inch wavy unit. Now, guys, just like true to form, it pops on very easily. I have been wearing this unit off and on for the last 2 weeks. I've not washed it. Literally, sometimes I'll put a little water on it. I've put a little foam mousse on it just to kind of smooth it out. But this hair is freaking amazing. Like, I really, really, really love this hair. Like I said, this hair, it's about 2 weeks old and I have not washed it. I did that on purpose because I really wanted you to see what it looks like after a couple of days of wearing. You always see people do the unboxing videos. It's like, yay, I just got it in. That is exciting. I actually did one too, but I want to know, and I want you guys to actually know what truly happens like after you've used that thing, right? So I have been using this. Like I said, I've worn it a couple of times over the past couple of weeks. I have not washed it. And as you can tell, like, this piece looks really good. It looks really good. And of course, I love that you can part it anywhere. And listen, you can part it deep. That's the thing that I love. Now, I will tell you, I'm not this baby hair person. I'm not that. So if you're looking for that, you're not going to get it here. I wanted to come on and I wanted to tell you that this hair is really nice. I love that this 10-inch is really affordable. Like, I really, really love the Virgin Hair Fantasies hair. It's easy to use. I have two of their other units. I have the Peruca Wet, which is the curly unit. I've had it for a couple of months now. That thing takes a licking from me and it keeps on ticking. And then I have the Peruca Raw. I think it might be like the 14-inch. Honestly, the Peruca Raw 14-inch wavy, real talk, that's my favorite. Like, I wear that one all the time. I think this unit is very appropriate for, so when I work my corporate job, like, this piece would have been perfect. I think if you're going to work, this piece is lit. I know Jane says it's the piece that she just throws on and she runs all over town in it. I think I'm a headband person, so this is a unit that I would wear a headband with. But like, this is just that piece where I don't want hair down my neck because I do like some length. This is that piece that, you know, if you're just trying to be a little bit more conservative, you know, you're going to the bank, you're getting ready to go to work, you're going to church on Sunday, and you really don't want to rock the 22 inches. Like, this is a everyday, very versatile piece. I just like hair that's a little bit longer. But this hair, that's what we're talking about. The hair is lit. The hair is lit. Plenty of body. And again, you can part this however you would like to part it. Like, seriously, you can move it around. Okay. Now, I think that's it. Like, I don't need to tell y'all nothing else. If you're thinking about buying this unit, I will tell you that, hey, you need to check it out. Like, I love the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I mean, when I go places, I always get tons of compliments on this hair. It feels good on. I remember the first time I got one of their units, I was like, should I sleep in it? Now I feel like I've been running my hands through it. Like, y'all, I done messed my unit up. Hold up. Let me smooth my girl out, because she smooths down so easily, right? You see that? See that? And by the way, this is the unit for you. Okay. If you want to like really go all the way in and be extra, maybe get you one down your back. But this is every day. This is Maxine, Auntie Maxine. You can wear this unit. Real talk. My mama can wear this unit. My nana want this unit. This is the universal hairpiece for all Black women, simply because it's not too long. You're not going to be doing the most. You can part it any way you want to. Boo. Get this unit. Head on over to the Virgin Hair Fantasy and tell Jane Romanica Plachette, the bold chick, sent you over to get your unit, honey. So enjoy Virgin Hair Fantasy. I love y'all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Again, doesn't this unit look amazing? It's amazing. Again, haven't watched it in 2 weeks. I'm just saying, I wanted to keep it 100 with you. I wanted to test it out for you and let you know what the real deal is on the 10-inch wavy by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Yep, they in Atlanta. So holla, take care.